Hey, hi guys. So this is Sayam Singh, the Jersey God, and I'm back to you guys with another unboxing video. This time I'm going to unbox not a NBA jersey, but a basketball jersey. So you must be shocked listening that how come it's a basketball jersey but not a NBA jersey. So let me tell you something. You must have seen Paris Olympics 2024. So if you must have watched basketball match of Paris Olympics, you must be knowing few teams like Brazil, France, USA. So I'm going to unbox Brazil basketball's men's national basketball team's Paris Olympics 2024 green jersey. Let me give you a glimpse. This jersey is very beautiful. This is one of my favorite jerseys, guys. Let me open this jersey for you guys. So I bring this jersey with the print of Marcelinho Huertas. So he is one of the best Brazilian basketball player. I don't know in which club he plays at, but he's one of the best players in basketball, Brazil's basketball men's national team. So I bought this jersey in a Swingman edition that is size 2XL. Let me show you quick details of this beauty. So this is size 2XL. This is number 56. We got this Nike logo over here. This is heat press sublimated. And we got this beautiful Brazil's flag. You see this flag? This is sublimated heat press. And it's written Brazil over here. Brazil and number 9. Marcelinho Huertas, he used to wear number 9 jersey in Brazil basketball team. And this Brazil and number 9, even this is heat press sublimated, guys. And let me show you the down tag, guys. It's very unique. It's it's not like that of the NBA jerseys. See, it's engineered to the exact specification of championship athletes. It's written limited. It's not written swingman. It's limited. 56 because 56 represents size 2XL. And here's some catchy slogan for Brazil. What does it say? Qualquer cada todos nós. So it's written over here some slogan for the Brazil national team. If any one of you watching this video knows about the slogan, so please let me know in the comment section down below. It would be a great help for me. And we got this tag over here. And since this is not an NBA jersey, so it's just have a Nike tag with dry fit written on it. And when you see at the back, it's written size 2XL. Some barcode given over here. Let me show you at the back of the jersey, guys. Now, So since this is not an NBA jersey, this is Paris Olympics jersey, you must have noticed there is no NBA logo over on the top or the back, and it's written Marcelinho number 9. So even this is sublimated heat press, guys. And you look at this, guys, when you look at this, see, this is looking so awesome on the jersey, even at the back. I love this material and I love this colors. It's related to Brazil colors. I remember when I see these colors, a yellow color Brazil home jersey, soccer jersey, and shorts, blue shorts, soccer shorts of Brazil. Maybe they have taken some inspiration from that. Maybe, might be. And even it's down below here. It's on the both of the sides, guys. So when it comes to sizing is very good of the jersey. It's 23 and a half pit to pit chest and 32 inches of length. So I would like to give this jersey 5 out of 5 stars. Simply, it's a perfect jersey, good material, good quality, fitting is totally perfect. So let me wear this jersey for you guys. Maybe you can get some idea about the fitting and all. So as you guys can see me wearing this jersey, so this jersey is very comfortable, loose, not over loose, it's loose. So it totally matches my compatibility, my sizing compatibility, and I'm very happy with this jersey, guys. This is the best jersey, and most probably I'll be wearing this jersey tomorrow in the gym. This is one of the best jersey, guys. So that's it from my side in this video, guys. If you find my videos useful, you better like my videos and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions related to jersey, anything you want to ask, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section down below. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching my video. It means a lot to me. So peace and have a nice day, you all.